So, our lesson today is about fractions. We took in grade 4 this lesson, the fractions. So, the first lesson in this unit, it's revision from the lesson that we took it in the previous year. Okay? Yeah. Let's start and let's revise. What do I mean by fraction? What is a fraction? We use it for what? Fraction is a quantity that is not a whole number. We use it in order to split or in order to divide something. For example, if we are splitting the cake, if we are splitting the pizza, so if we are splitting something, we will talk about fraction, okay? So if we are cutting or splitting the cake into pieces, so we will talk about
Good morning,
fraction.
teacher.
Good morning, Muhammad. Why are you late?
Teacher, the Zoom was not opening.
Okay, so now we started, ya Muhammad. Follow us, yeah. So,
Okay.
our lesson, ya Muhammad, is about fraction. We said that this fraction, we use it in order, it's a quantity, we use it in order to split something. If we are splitting the cake, for example, if we are splitting the pizza, so we will talk about fraction, okay? Here, for example, Mario uses fractions in order to split up his pizza. So, this pizza, we will split this pizza into pieces, so we will talk about fraction. How many parts will he cut it if he's sharing with his brother? Let's check. He cuts this pizza into 2 equal parts. So he divides the pizza into how many parts?
Two
Equal parts. This part,
parts.
first part, the same as the second part, same size. Okay, I can't divide them into different sizes. They should have the same size. Okay. So divide the pizza into
equal sides.
2 equal parts. These 2 parts, both of them are the same. Type. What can we say about each part? Each part is represented as a fraction. We call each part half. So the first part we call it half. The second one also we call it half. Okay? So because he divides the pizza into 2 equal parts, so each part we call it what? Half. Both parts should have the same size. They can't be different. They should be equal. So it's important that they are equal. Okay? Type.
Yes.
Which of these shapes are split into halves? Muhammad Al-Jawi. Muhammad is the first one. Cut it into half.
Yes.
Just Muhammad Al-Jawi. I will choose. Why ya Muhammad?
Yes. Good morning, teacher.
It's
Why ya Muhammad? Why it split it into halves?
because this sign is the same.
Excellent. Both parts have the same size. This
Are
part the same as
equal.
this part. So each part we call it half. Excellent. طيب. جواد شمس الدين.
Yes.
The second one.
Yes, teacher.
Can we say that each part is a half?
Yes. We
Why
can.
ya Jawad?
Because the two halves are equal.
Is this part ya Jawad the same as this part?
No.
How
The
they are
second,
equal?
no.
How they are equal? So they aren't equal. So can we split it into halves?
No.
Is it?
Teacher, you are saying to the first one.
No,
the
I'm
circle.
asking you the second one.
Oh,
So,
okay.
is the second one split
no.
into halves?
No.
No, because the 2 parts aren't the same. طيب. Asil Haidar. The third one. Is this shape split into halves?
No.
Why ya Asil?
Because the two sides are not equal.
Excellent. The 2 parts aren't equal. طيب. Yusuf Bazoon.
Yes.
Here, the fourth one, the square. Is it
Yeah.
split into halves?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because the two are the same.
Excellent. Bravo يا يوسف. علي سلامة. سلامة.
Yes.
Is this triangle split it into two halves?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's because it's a half.
Two parts are equal. This part the same as this part. Bravo. طيب.
Page 2 open.
Now leave it closed, Jad. Fatima Kurani. The last one. Is it split it into halves? The last one. Why?
No, because it isn't in the same sides. Isn't it equal?
Excellent.
يعني
Guys,
not equal.
and the second one.
Miss, we can't
This
see
one
you.
is long, is very deep.
Yeah.
very deep.
Very.
Teacher,
So
we
the
can't
first
hear
size
you.
and the second one are different. So it's not split it into
Yes.
half. طيب.
Yes.
So is it clear, teacher? طيب.
Yes.
Now,
It's clear.
half, we are talking about half. Half can be written like this. How do we write half as a fraction? It's 1 out of 2.
1 out
Okay.
of 2.
Why 1 out of 2? Look why. If you look here at this shape,
We write it.
if you look here at this shape, okay? If we want to write the fraction that represents half,
Because it is
how
one
many
circle
parts
and it
did I
is,
color here?
naked two pieces.
How many parts did I color? One part. So I will write one up.
Half.
So in order to write, listen teacher,
One.
please. In order to write half as a fraction, I ask myself, how many parts did I color? I colored one part out of how many parts, the total number of equal parts. Into how many parts did I divide this circle?
Two.
Parts, so 1 out of 2. So we'll have your teacher number it like this, 1 out of 2. How do we write half as a fraction?
1 out of 2.
Excellent, bravo, 1 out of 2. If you look at this fraction, it's composed of two numbers, two different parts,
Yes.
up and
Down.
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 So a number at the top and a number at the bottom. Okay? So one part on the top and one part on the bottom. Type. The top and the bottom parts of the fraction have different meanings. The top number هو number of shaded parts or colored. So, a number of colored parts, we write it where? Up. Okay? Whereas down, the bottom, who is the total number of equal parts. Okay? So, one represents the number of colored parts. Two, who is the bottom, represents the total number of equal parts. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, one represents what, your teacher?
The top number is the number of shaded parts.
The number of colored parts. Bravo. And the bottom represents what?
The number of equal parts.
The total number of equal parts. Another name.
Yes.
What can we say about 1? What can we say about 2? Did you remember from grade 4, 1 we call it what? Numerator. Numerator. 2 we call it what?
The denominator.
The number that's at the top, we call it a numerator. The number that's at the bottom, we call it denominator. You can study it like this. Down, 2, it's written down. So down, we call it denominator. Down, denominator, D. Okay? So down, it's denominator. Up, we call it a numerator. Okay?
Numerator, denominator.
طيب let's repeat. رشا يلا الone we call it what يا رشا؟
We call it
Teacher, can I?
زهراء عبد الرضا.
Yes.
الone we call it what?
Numerator.
Excellent. Numerator. Bravo. Jad. Two we
Yes.
call it what?
Denominator.
Denominator. Excellent. Bravo. Excellent. Nabil.
Yes.
One we call it what يا teacher?
Numerator.
Numerator. Bravo. And two?
Denominator.
Denominator. Excellent. One represents what? The number of what?
The number of
Is it the total?
No. The
No.
name.
The number of
The number
colored
of
parts.
colored
Excellent. With two represents what? The
total number of
total number of
Total
equal
number.
parts. Excellent. Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Yes.
But not always the 1 and the 2, like 2 and 4. The 2 is the diameter and the 4 is the diameter. Not always the 1 and the 2.
لا, not always 1 and 2. The number that's written at the top يا جواد دايما له numerator. The number that's at the bottom we call it denominator. For example, يا جواد,
Miss, your voice is so low.
very deep.
if the fraction is 5 out of 7, and 5 we call it what?
The
Numerator.
7
Denominator.
denominator. Excellent. Okay, so
Denominator.
not always 1 out of 2. Okay?
Yes.
Type.
Okay.
Yeah.
all teacher, when the numerator and the numerator has to be less than the denominator.
Not always يا أمال. ممكن يكون أكبر.
Yes.
Okay, I will explain it later in the lesson. Maybe the numerator will be bigger. We will check it later. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, the numerator is written where? At the top or at the bottom?
Top.
At the top.
Top.
Numerator is written at the top. It shows the number of equal parts. Type. Denominator is written where?
On the bottom.
bottom.
It shows
Bottom.
what?
The total number of equal parts.
The total number of equal parts. So you have to study them. You have to study them, yeah, teacher. A numerator who is at the top represents the number of colored parts. Denominator is written at the bottom. It shows the total number of equal parts. Okay? Right. Now open page 80. Let's start with activity 1. Yeah.
Teacher, can I?
Open page 80, Jawad. Open your math books, page 80. Yeah. Let's start doing activity 1, page 80. So till now, is it clear what do I mean by fraction? What do I mean by numerator and denominator?
Yes. Yes. Clear.
Yeah. Let's start with activity 1. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Raneem Kifel.
Yes.
Yeah. Write the fraction that represents the colored part. Look at the first figure, ya Raneem. Yeah, we will write a fraction. We will write a number at the top and a number at the bottom. At the top, we will write what, ya Raneem? The number of what?
2.
Listen to yourself, Raneem, please. Listen. Yalla, Raneem.
4.
The number of colored parts. How many colored parts do we have?
2.
2. So 2 up. Down, we will write what?
4.
The total number. What is the total number of all parts?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. We divide the square into 4 equal parts. So the fraction is 2 out of 4. Musa, why are you late, ya Musa? Musa Rahme. Teacher, we explained the lesson. We are doing now examples, exercises. Why are you late, Musa? It's not the first time. You have to be on time, Musa. Unmute, please, and talk with me. Musa? Musa? I'm waiting. Why are you late, ya Musa? Teacher, it's not the first time. دايما يا موسى أنت بتفوت بنص الحصة. Teacher, we explained a new lesson. You have to follow us, ya Musa, please. Okay. Yeah. Let's write the fraction that represents the colored part. I will repeat. In order to write the fraction, we will write up the number of colored parts. We colored 2 parts, so we will write 2 out of the total number of equal parts. I divide this square into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 out of 4. Okay? We can't reverse them, ya teacher. Always up, we have to write the number of colored parts, down the total. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So 2 out of 4. And all parts should have the same size. We said it at the beginning of this lesson. I can't divide it into different sizes. All of them should have the same size. Okay? Yeah. Hussein Najm. Hussein Najm.
Yes, teacher.
The second one, how do we write the fraction? Yalla Hussein.
3 of 10.
Excellent. 3 out of 10. Bravo. 3 parts are colored. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the total number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. So 3 out of 10. So 10 هو كل البارts total number. طيب. جود أسعد. جود أسعد. جود.
Yes.
يلا يا جود. The third one. How do we write the fraction?
Miss, here it's not cut into 2 parts.
Excellent, Jad. Bravo. Here there's a trick. Did I divide the square into equal parts?
No.
No. So before I write the fraction, what shall I do? I will divide this square into
parts.
I will divide it into equal parts. Let's divide it into triangles like this. Look how. Like this. Now all parts have the same size. كلهم triangles. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. يلا يا جود. How many parts did I color يا جود?
1.
1 out of at the total.
3.
التوتال how much يا جود؟
4.
1, 2, 3,
1 out of
4. So 1 out of
Easy. 4.
4 هو التوتال number of equal parts. طيب. مهدي فرحات.
You don't make.
Yes.
Yeah. This one, how do we write the fraction? First, is all the parts have the same size?
Yes.
Look at the colored part. هاي colored part كله.
No.
Is the same size as this one?
No.
No. So what shall I do?
Make it equal.
Make it equal. I will divide the colored part like this into small triangles. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Now all of them have the same size?
Yes.
these are triangles. Let's count. How many parts did I color from these triangles, ya Mahdi?
1.
Teacher,
How
8. Teacher, 8.
Muhammad, I'm asking Mahdi. Mahdi, how many parts
Okay.
did I color? Mahdi?
4. Yes, 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Out
Out of 8.
Muhammad, it's the second time you answered without permission. Please, teacher.
8. Yes, out of 4.
Mahdi, 4 out of how much the total number?
8.
8.
I can't hear you, Mahdi.
8.
Yes, yes.
8.
Out
I
of
said
what?
8.
Yes, it's easy. 4.
How 4 out of 4? 4 out of 8 يا مهدي. The total number. قلنا نحن يا مهدي الدينومينيتور هو التوتال. Total number. Look into how many parts did I divide this rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4,
You sure he said 8?
5, 6, 7, and 8. So how many parts did I divide this rectangle يا مهدي? Total number?
8.
8. So it has to be 4 out of 8. The denominator should be 8. Okay, teacher?
Teacher,
Can I do the exercise?
So teacher, is it clear?
Teacher,
Up,
can
up, yeah, teacher. Up, we will write the number of what?
The colored shape.
Colored part. And down.
Of the total.
The total number. Excellent. Amal Fakir.
Teacher.
Yalla ya Amal. How many parts did I color?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 out of?
Numerator is 5 and 5, 6, 7, 8 is that denominator.
Excellent Amal. Bravo. 8 is the denominator. هو total number. Bravo. Zahra Abdulrida.
5.
Yes.
The last one. Yal. How many parts did I color?
3/4.
Excellent. 3 out of 4. So 3 هو numerator and 4 is the denominator. Excellent. Done ya teacher?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So in the fraction 2 out of 4, 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Excellent. In all the fractions, a denominator down, it represents what? The total number of equal parts. Whereas numerator represents what?
The colored equal parts.
The colored parts. Right. Let's start doing exercise 1, page 81. Yeah.
Teacher, بعدني عم بعمل activity. آخر وحدة المثلث.
يلا يا
قد إيه؟
محمد. It's 3 out of 4. Yeah.
Okay, I have finished.
حسن جابر.
Teacher.
يلا يا حسن. Color to represent fraction below. Teacher, you will color in pencil. Okay, you are not allowed to use colors, just in pencil. Yeah. Let's color ya Hassan 3 out of 4.
Yes.
So how many parts should I color?
3.
3 parts. Bravo. 1, 2,
2.
and 3
3.
parts. Thank you. So in order to color, we look at the numerator. The numerator who represents the number of colored parts. Numerator 3, so we will color 3. Numerator 4, we will color 4. Numerator 5, we will color 5. Okay?
Yes.
I am correct.
Right. Hassan Tahir.
Yes.
The second one, how many parts should I color? 5 out of 8. So how many parts should I color?
5.
Excellent. 5. Any 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you.
Teacher, can I? Teacher?
Jawad Samsuddin, the last one. How many parts should I color?
2.
2. Bravo. 2 out of 3. So 2. 1, 2. Excellent. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Finish and let's do now the last question in this lesson اللي هو exercise 2.
Teacher, I am coloring.
Like me, a teacher, it's easy. Just put like this.
Okay.
Done.
ناس للإكسرسايز نستخدم مسطرة.
The last one.
No, we will write it just a fraction. We will write. We will not draw ya, Batul.
Done. So easy.
Inside these 2 boxes, we will write a fraction. Yeah. Let's start doing exercise 2.
Yes, and the last one, aren't they not equal?
In the last one is circle sizes.
Yes.
لا ممكن تكون هي قد ما مقربينا يا جاد على عاملين لنا زوم بينت السايزز انه هن شوي ديفرنت بس هن لازم يكونوا ايكوال.
Yes.
Guys, exercise 2. Read the following sentences to fill the boxes with the right fraction. So we will write a fraction inside these 2 boxes, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. The first one. Numerator 4, denominator 7. How do we write the fraction?
4 out of 7.
Excellent. 4 out of 7. Numerator, it has to be at the top. Denominator, it has to be at the
Bottom.
bottom. Bravo. So 4 out of 7. Can I say 7 out of 4?
No.
No. Numerator, where should I place it?
big number is down.
لا يا زهراء. We can't do it
Not
like this.
always.
لا يا teacher. I can't say the biggest number should be down. ممكن يكون ال biggest number up. حنشوفها بعدين بالدروس السابقة. اوكي؟ نحن يا زهراء بنطلع على النيوميريتر. النيوميريتر لازم يكون up at the top. الدينومينيتر it has to be where?
Down.
Down.
At the bottom.
Okay, at the bottom. Yes, like this.
Miss.
For example, the second one يا زهراء. Look. Denominator 6 and numerator 1. How do we write the fraction?
1 up.
One,
1 up and 6 bottom.
Excellent. 1 out of 6. The 1 هو numerator, it's at the top. 6 هو denominator, it's at the bottom.
Teacher, they are making trick. They switch them.
Yes, they did a trick. They switched them. So you have to concentrate. دايما numerator at the top, denominator at the bottom. Okay?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Easy.
Nabil, why you are not writing?
I didn't, teacher. It's so easy.
Excellent. Proud of you. Yeah. Any question about this lesson, yeah, teacher?
No.
Who is still writing?
No. Very easy.
It's very
So we have finished from this lesson. Tomorrow we will start a new lesson, okay? Also, it's about fraction.
That's it.
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.